morning to all of you students. Today I am going to solve exercise 42. Okay, it is related to chapter decimal. So here the first question says that convert the following decimal into fraction. Decimals given, you have to change into fraction. Okay, so how would you solve? So first number question 0 decimal 3 given. So the method says that 0 decimal 3 and give 1 by symbol, and then you have to remove the decimal. First count the decimal place. There is 1 decimal, so you can remove the decimal after giving. If the 1 decimal place, then give 0, 1, 0 and 1. It means 10. It became 3 upon 10. Okay, very simple. First write whatever number given and give 1 by symbol, and then count the decimal places 1 and 1, 2. Okay, 2 decimal place, so give 2, 0 and 1 and remove this one. It became 7.0. Oh, it became 703 by. Okay, so this is the fraction, but this is the it is improper fraction. You can write this one also in mixed fraction. This become 7:3 by 100. This become 7 into 3 by 100. Now this one 45.50, right, and give 1 by symbol, and now decimal place, 2 decimal place, so put 2 0 and 1, it means 100, and remove this one. And next slide we will write 45, 54 and 100. Both can cut by 2 also, so cut, it become 50, and now 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 2 7 the, this one. Okay, and with any number can be cut. So if there is nothing, I think it can't. So 22 70 by 50. Now you can divide 22 77. 50 4 the 200. 50 4 the 55 the 250. 27 is the remainder. So we will write 50 is to 45 is to remainder is 27, and that is 50. Okay, this is the answer. So simple is first write down which number given, then draw a by symbol, and count the decimal places, 2 decimal places, so remove that decimal and put as a denominator 2 0 and 1, it means 100. Also there is 2 decimal place, we put 100. Okay, and cut, that is the answer. Just opposite, it is asked that convert the following fraction into decimal. Fractions given, you have to convert into decimal. Okay, there if the fraction which is given which have the denominator 10 or multiples of 10, this is very easy. You have to write the denominator whichever given, 19 given, so 19 write down first and put the decimal after 1 0 given, so count from the right to the left, right, that is 1's place, and put here after 1's place, because 1 0 given, so after. This is the answer. Okay, now here write down the numerator first, and now count how many 0, 1 2 3 3, so start counting from the left, 1 2 3, so this place you can put the decimal. This is the answer. Okay, But this type of quotient you have to make the denominators 0. So 4 you can change first. 4 3 is the 12 and 3 15 upon 4. Okay, so you have two methods to solve this type of question. First, that you can divide by 4. Okay, you can divide 4 3 the 12. Okay, and 3 remainder. So now put decimal and then 30, it became 30, and 4 7 ja 28, and put 2, 2 is the remainder, and put again 0, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, this is the, so answer is 3.75. This is the answer. Okay, and this question I again you can solve 16 8 ja 128 and plus 3 131. If you have dot, then 16 into multiply 8 128 and plus 3 131. Okay, 131 by 8. Now you can divide by 8 131. 8 1 ja 8, 5 and 1 51, 8 6 ja 48, and 3 remainder. Now put the decimal and put 0. How many times? 3 times. 6 is remainder. Now put 0 again. Now 7 times. 4 is remainder and 5. It will cut. It means 16.375. Okay. First convert into improper fraction, then divide. You will get the answer. Also here and here, if the denominators are 10 or multiple of 10s, then there is no need to divide. Only write down the numerator and put the decimal after how many zeros are given. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I solve the next exercise. Now students, I have taken exercise 43. It is the multiplication of decimals. Find the product. Product means multiplication. Okay, so one number is given decimal and second is whole number. Okay, and one is decimal. So how will you multiply? Simple. Which method you know? First multiply after removing the decimal. Don't put the decimal here. First multiply both number in rough or on your paper, and at last we will put the decimal after one digit. If one place given decimal, one place given, so after multiplying at last we put decimal after one place. Okay, so multiply first. 8 7 ja 56 and 8 6 ja 48 and 5. 48 and 5 53. Again 5 8 3 ja 24 and 5 29. Okay, 8 7 ja 56, 5 8 6 ja 48 and 5 53. Again 5 and 8 3 ja 24 and 5 29. Okay, so 2936. Okay, and at last we put the decimal after. Decimal place is one decimal place, so put here after one digit. We start counting from the right to left, means once digit we put decimal. Okay, and here again you can multiply 941 into 306. First multiply by all the numbers. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 20, 6 4 is 24. Okay, 2 we have 2, and 9 6 is 54, and 2 56. 0 0 0, and here 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 9 3 is 27, and 1 27 8. Okay, so 6 4 9 7 8 2. This is 2 8 7 9 4 6. Okay, and at last we put decimal after how many decimal places? 1 2 3. 3 decimal places. So we put after here 1 2 3. 3 decimal place we put the decimal. Okay, we start counting from ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Means right to the left, not from here to here, left to the right. Now here again, when you multiply 3 into 1000, it means 1000 into 3, we get 3000. 3000. Okay. And the decimal after how many places? 1 2 3. 3 decimal places. So we start counting from 1 2 3 here. It means 3, and after 3 0 0 0. So no value. So 3 is the answer. Okay. Now here 6 into 1000. 6000. Okay. And put the decimal after how many digit? 1 digit only. So put here. After 1 digit only. So this is 600 answer. Okay. First multiply after removing the decimals, and at last the product, write down the product and put the decimal after counting the decimal places. 1 decimal place. So we put decimal place after 1 digit. Here 3 decimal place. So put decimal after 3 digits. 1 2 3. Here 3 digits. Okay. And same here 3 into 1000, 3000, and put decimal 1 2 3 places. 1 2 3. Not from the left to the right. You have to count from the right to the left. Ones digit, ones, tens, hundred. Okay, after 100,000. And this became 3 after decimal 0 no value. So 3, and here also 6 into 1000, 6000, and put the decimal after 1 decimal place is given 1 decimal place. So after 1 digit decimal 600. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I solve the next question. Some questions. Now we start exercise 44. Here you have to multiply. There is one difference that both numbers contain decimal, means both numbers are decimals. So you have to multiply. So first find out how many decimal places. 1 decimal places and 1 decimal places. So decimal places 1 plus 1, it means 2. You have to add both decimal places, and you have to put after 2 decimal places. It means 1 place, here 1 place, so 2 place. After 2 place, you have to put the decimal. First multiply 15 into 9. Okay, 15, 9 ja 135. 135, and now you have to put the decimal after how many places? 1 and 1. 2 decimal place. 1 2. This one. 1 tens. After 2 decimal place we put, after 2 digit we put decimal. 135. Same here. You have to multiply 3 2 5 1 into 7. Multiply first. 7 1 is 7. 7 5 is 35. 7 2 is 14, and 3 17, and 7 3 is 21, and 1 22. Okay, so write down 22,757, and now put the decimal. How many place? 1 2 3 4. 4 decimal place here, and 1. 4 plus 1. After 5 decimal place, you have to put the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means here 5 digits. Okay. So method is first multiply after removing the decimals, and then you have to at last put the decimal after counting. Here 4 decimal place, here 1 decimal place. So total 4 plus 1, 5 decimal place. So after 5 digits put decimal. Okay. I hope you got it. Now again here multiply 1 and 1. Only 1. But put the decimal. Here 3 decimal place. Here 2 decimal place. So total 5 decimal places. So put the decimal after 5 digit. So 1, put 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now put the decimal place. So now you have to fill. If you don't have digits, extra digits, so you have to put the 0. Okay, and make 5 places. After putting the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put decimal. Okay, and again here multiply 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 and 8, again 2, 8. It means 8. And put decimal after how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. So put decimal after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 here. This is the answer. Okay. So here you have to count the decimal places and add, and at last you can put the decimal. Okay. Here same, and here also 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 to 8, and put the 3 decimal places. Okay. Now I hope you got it. So now see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.